In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Facebook on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, on your controller, press the PS button. Now go to Game Base, go to Messages. Now here, open up any friend's message and message them facebook.com. And after that, go on that facebook.com message and press X. Now you can see we are on the Facebook website. So if you want to zoom in, you can press R3 to zoom in and you can press L3 to zoom out. So now here enter phone number or email address, then enter here password, then go on login and press X and you will be logged in. You can also use your Facebook and play games at the same time. So to do that, press box and then you can go on press the options button, this one, and then here go on pin to side and press X, and now you can pin to whichever side you want and then press X to confirm. Now you can play game and use Facebook. To now use Facebook, press the PS button on your controller 2 times and now you can use Facebook. And to close this, press the options button, go on exit pin to side, then press the option button and go on close card, and your Facebook will be closed. And so this is how you can get Facebook on PS5. Thanks for watching.